In this video, I'm going to talk about the best oils to use for deep frying your foods. Many people might think that using vegetable oil is a healthy choice because it sounds like it comes from vegetables. However, the truth is quite different. Let's first understand seed oils. Seed oils, often labeled as vegetable oils, are not made from vegetables at all. They come from seeds like corn, soy, and canola. These oils are a part of a heavily processed food category where they undergo industrial processing that includes heating and adding chemicals like hexane, a solvent found in gasoline. This refining process results in an oil that can sit on store shelves for a long time, but it's far from healthy. We consume a significant portion of our daily calories from these oils, often without realizing it. They are found in almost everything, especially in fried foods. When you deep fry foods in seed oils, you are essentially frying processed ingredients in another processed ingredient. This creates harmful substances that can negatively impact your health. For example, when frying something like a donut or even chicken, the combination of heat, fat, and protein can create sticky proteins in the body known as glycation. This process can cause dysfunction in your body by clogging up your system. Fast food restaurants often reuse these oils multiple times, increasing the toxicity of the food with each use. Seed oils were never meant for human consumption and they were originally developed for industrial purposes, not for cooking. These oils contain polyunsaturated fatty acids, which are fragile and unstable. When consumed, they can get into the membranes of our cells, disrupting their normal function. This disruption can lead to various health issues, including insulin resistance, fatty liver, obesity, heart disease, and an increased risk of cancer. When you add heat to the seed oils, which have already been heated during processing, they release toxic byproducts that cause oxidation in the body. Oxidation is like rusting, but inside your body, leading to further damage. Instead of being burned as fuel, these oil get stored in the body, creating more problems over time. If you do want to fry foods, there are healthier oil options available. Avocado oil, high in monounsaturated fats, which oxidize less. It's best used in its cold pressed form, but it can handle moderate heat if you need to fry something. Moving on to coconut oil, this oil has protective factors and is less prone to oxidation, but it may smoke at higher temperatures. Next up is olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats. It's another good option for frying at moderate heat. Let's talk about palm oil. Similar to coconut oil, palm oil is stable at moderate heat but can smoke at higher temperatures. Finally, we have tallow and ghee. These animal fats are more stable at higher temperatures and can be a better option for frying. Ghee, in particular, is a better choice than butter for high heat cooking. While these oils are healthy option, it is important to remember that deep frying at high temperature is generally not recommended regardless of the oil you use. High heat can cause even the healthiest oil to break down and create harmful substances. Pan frying, stir frying, or using an air fryer are much better alternatives as they require little to no oil and are less likely to damage the fats you are cooking with. If you are looking for a healthier way to cook, consider these alternatives to deep frying. Your body will thank you for it. Take better care of yourself. I will see you in the next video.